Alright, so working on this plate for this radiator support. And I want to come in and I want to make me a pattern here. First off, alright. Alright, so I want to mark this out. Now I want to come in and cut this out here. So this is the bracket for the 70 Wildcat radiator support. Alright, so then I want to mark top on here, so I know this is the top. Alright, so I was able to go to the metal place where I get my my metal from, and he was able to get me some 1/8 inch thick plate here that he was able to get here for me, and he cut me out a plate. So I'm gonna have more than enough to do this, but it's some plate that I'll be able to use for other things too. So this sheet cost me about $16 here. I marked out where I need these holes to be. So first I'm gonna come in and I never cut plate this thick before with my grinder, my cutting wheel, but I'm gonna have to see how this is gonna cut up here. So I'm gonna come in and drill me some pilot holes here first. So then I come in here, I want to line these holes up, and I decided to leave a little on each end. So I want to line that up. I want to cut that off there. I want to cut that off there, and then my block is going to go in here. Alright, so next I'm going to come in and I'm going to cut this block out now. So I'm thinking it's going to be easy to come in here with the die grinder. Alright, then I'm going to come through and cut this out. Alright, then I'm going to put the magnets in place to hold them in place. Then I'm going to come in and weld this plate in first, and then I start cutting the side plates out, and then I come in and weld the bottom plate in. So like I said, guys, just repairing these pieces one plate at a time. Alright guys, I'm telling you, keeping up with recording, man, it's something else. You get ahead of yourself sometime. But alright, I cut this piece out and I marked it here, guys, so I know which way this go. I put bottom, a B for bottom, and then I put a line here so I know where that lines up at. So what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna put this outside radius. I want to get this inside. I want to get the inside flat part on here. And then I want to mark this off. Then I got a hole that needs to go right here. Then also, I want to mark this hole right here. Alright guys, so check this out. Right here I got the line the green line right there. So to get this line to match up, I want to grind off on the plate here, not on here, because this is set already. So I cut this, but it need like a 1/4 inch. Grind it off there, guys. So right here it's a little part of the hole that was there, so that need to match up right there, guys. So, and then see, everything will be in line. All right, even though I cut across that hole, I left a little bit of it there, and all of that is going to help me with alignment. So all right, guys, so I got the magnets, I got the hole set, I got the line where it needs to be. Now I'm just come in and weld this plate up. All right, guys, so right in here, that's not open up as much as I would like for it to be. So I'm gonna come in here and open this up some here. That's good enough there. All right. So I'll have to grind the rest of this black off of here, the coating that they have on the metal. I'll do that later. But all right, this piece is all done, guys. I still gotta, well, it's not all done, but I still gotta grind these areas down, and I gotta weld the sides in here. So I gotta cut a few more pieces, guys. I gotta cut a few more pieces for here and right there. One piece at a time, guys. Guys, when I tell you I like to keep things simple, I really like to keep things simple. Alright, so I'm gonna just sit that on there like so. I want this to go on an angle at the end. But I'm gonna just keep this simple, guys. So that last piece is gonna weld right in right there. And then this piece will be pretty much done.